everybody. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel. Really appreciate it. If you could do us a huge solid and smash that like and subscribe button, it definitely helps out the algorithms and helps get us out to more people. And if you'd share it, we'd love you even more. Stick around at the end of the show. We'll explain to you how you can get in a running for a free Junkman 5000 t-shirt. Thanks for all the support. Have a great day.
Happy Monday night. We have a couple of pickups to go do, so we're gonna get on that right now and see if we can get some street scrapping done, see if we can get this trailer all filled up. Welcome back. Welcome back. Happy Monday. All right, just got done with pickup number 1, which is right here. We are going to pick up number 2, which is what we're gonna go do right now. That's a washing machine and a refrigerator, so we'll see how we make that all fit in here. And then we have another refrigerator to pick up after that, so busy night. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is we're gonna move some stuff around. Luckily this is good, one of the contactless. Boom, they have it right outside for me. So we are gonna see if we can not be crazy and stack this stuff up here and then bring that washing machine on. Boom, see if that'll plop in right there. All right, just to document that we did not do that to the concrete. Oh, I was thinking maybe this was a Mario. But now I'm thinking that maybe not. All right. I feel like maybe it don't look too bad. It's a little rusty in spots. That thing maybe needs to be fixed. Maybe. Look at us. I very don't know what I'm doing here. Just kind of winging it, I guess. Yeah, that was probably easier. That was probably easier than the other way I was gonna do it, to be real with you. Yeah, that was definitely easier, because this is a heavy one. She's a beast, but she's our beast. Not a bad start, and we really ain't ran it all yet, so let's go hit our neighborhood and see what we can get. Let's go. Hey, you just happen to be going by and this was right here in the neighborhood. Now the kind of crazy thing is I just had another one of our neighbors hit me up and say he's got a fridge that he just put out. So this is all getting to be very interesting. As much as I hate unloading anything, really not what I signed up to do, but I do a lot of it. I do a lot. For somebody who doesn't want to unload a thing, I'm pretty proficient at it. All right, well, I'm just gonna repeat this over and over and over again until I get all these poles in. You probably don't want to watch that. Oh, another refrigerator. We'll bring it back once it's loaded up. All right, what we're doing now is I'm just rearranging these fridges. Yeah, I gotta make a little bit more room on here, just a touch. So I'm Just trying to move these things around. All right, we're back. That, I know we didn't shoot a lot tonight. I apologize for that. But tonight was just a pickup night. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Boom, boom, boom. Look at us go. Yeah, it's not too often that we have to strap up the tailgate like that. Third fridge just quite wouldn't fit in. So anyway, we got it. Y'all have a good night. It's starting to rain. See you in the morning. Good morning, happy Tuesday. I usually don't film this part out here, but we're usually first ones here. We usually help Jill open the gate. You see it. We found another strap this morning. So we are now 6 straps deep. Right, yeah, 2 on the back, 4 across the side, that equals 6. Look at us go, doing math. All right, we have made our way inside the yard. We're here, got the gate down. Everything's nice, safe, and sound. It is wet over there, my feet are wet. I need to get my duck boots back on. That is for sure. Let's start unloading this thing. We do not have much time today. That's one way of doing it. So let me kind of explain something real quick. I put some music in the video yesterday. Nice. Which is today, which is Tuesday, was Monday's video, and it got copyright claimed. I don't know, I don't understand it with the music. Some of it's good, some of it's not. It's all pay money for this app so that you are able to put in certain things and they give you certain options. And anyway, so all that means is I didn't undo the video. So what does that mean? On my program, I never erased the video, so I was still able to go back in and hopefully just move some stuff around. And I'm gonna put out another video. So the video that's out now, same video, just different music. And then I'm gonna delete the other one. So that's fun. Yeah, hopefully all this will come pretty quick. Oh, I don't even want to know. Damn it. I need to get these doors off. Maybe that did it. All right, so that one looks like it came off. Maybe. Of course, it's the one with the ice maker line. All right, let me grab some cutters. Today's the day I need to be super quick because I overscheduled. And I don't feel like I'm doing a good job of being super quick right now. We have a bunch of stuff going on today. Let's see. I think a little sledgehammer action may work on that. All right. Sweet. Ow. Came right down on my ankle. Oh, Chris is gonna love us up top. I don't even know if I cut that one. Yeah, they had this thing all apart. They were fixing it. That thing is heavy. Oh wow, don't even tell me. Dude, every single one of them. This one's a little stanky. Little stank to it. This door fell right off. All right. Look at all the refrigerator doors. Cray cray. This go up top. This, oh. I don't know, I better check everything today. I think I already checked this though. Yeah. We actually got a lot of stuff going up top. This could probably go up top too, but not a thing. These I'm gonna keep. I'm not getting rid of those. And not get rid of that. That's gonna ride with us here. That's good, that's good. This is good. I don't know, this one's all rusted up in the side there. This top's all, we're just gonna dump this one. Go on about our business. What up, brother? What up, my friend? How you doing, bro? Keep me happy, Bobby. I know that life.
dually that the differential went out.
Oh no.
Yeah. I just came from the shop over there and asked them, you know, when they're gonna fix it.
All right.
So, I had to buy another truck just to keep working.
Right. That's my biggest fear, man. This thing's almost got 300,000 miles on it.
You're lucky because you put some shit on that little thing.
Huh?
You're lucky because you put some
Yeah.
as far as you can.
As far as I can. Hey, have a great day, brother.
Bobby, God bless you always.
God bless. Woo. All right, so that really wasn't too bad. What do we got in here? Oh, yo. No. That's coming with us. Oh, goodness. Okay, load number one going in. It's pretty much all dirty aluminum, and then all the doors, dirty stainless. And then we're keeping the rest of this. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. Oh, no, this is all heavy irony. Heavy irony there, light irony here. There we go. All right, well, we will see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna get through here as quick as we can, and then we're off to our next pickup. All right, we are here at my local VFW. We just picked up that fridge. We picked up a washing machine. All that is back at the house. We're gonna load that up real quick, and then we will come back, because then we're meeting up with Mario. Okay, we are back here at the house here. So we got this bad boy all loaded up. We already got a washing machine up front there. We got a fridge. Got the filing cabinet. Boom, boom. 2 more machines right here. And then just fill out the rest of it with whatever we got. Do not look inside of my garage. Yard sale's coming up. Just keep that in mind. Yard sale, yard sale, yard sale. Oh, and then here we are. Our main man Mario's coming by. We got 4 units going out. 4. How many? Say it with me. 4 units going out. Love it. Love to see it. So that'll be another 120 bucks. Our first load today was 125, right on the nose. So, and then we're gonna get in 1 more right at lunchtime. And then finito, we're done. Done for the day. All right, it's raining. It's been raining. We took a little break, but show must go on. So we still got this on the side of the house for tomorrow. And we're bringing this in. We're bringing all this in. So I got to throw 1 more strap, but there's a washing machine, a dishwasher that we want to grab real quick. So let's go get that. It's raining, I mean halfway decent. I wanted to say pretty good, but I don't know. It's not really that bad. All right, let's go. Let's pick this thing up. Get it on there. Get it over there. That was the missing piece. We just needed that. Now we can... No, we need our duck boots. Going back to the house to get our duck boots. And then... we're off. All right, well, it's raining. We got the duck boots back finally. It has been a long time since we've had these on out here. I feel like I can be free again, whatever that means. Let's get this thing unstrapped. I don't know if we brought you in on anything. Maybe a little bit. It's been a crazy day. Raining. A lot of pickups. Had a bunch of pickups today. Had Mario come over. We just been going. Going, 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 going. All right, let's see what we can do here. See how much is just gonna fall off to the side. See how much of this is gonna go up. See Chris. Just that chair going over to the non-ferrous side. Pretty happy about that thing coming off relatively easy.
Okay, that's a day. I'm not even sure how long this video is going to be today. We didn't barely do any night scrapping, so we shall see when we get this all turned in. What did we do today? First load, which was last night, we did a bunch of pickups, all them refrigerators. Where'd you get all them refrigerators from? They all had stainless steel doors on them, which were good. So here's the ticket. Put it on the screen. Tin for $13.40 was $80.40. Irony all heavy was $202.40, and that was all the doors. And then we just had some random light irony for 14 pounds at 30 cents for $4.20. For $125 this morning. And then Mario came by and he picked up 4 washing machines, and we put each washing machine at 150 pounds. So that brought us on a big loop for 600 more pounds on top of that for $120. I feel like I could sneeze. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this whole video may be done. There's usually never just one sneeze. Oh, we'll see. All right. Second. What are we doing? Second ticket of the day. 10 for $15.20 at 6 cents. That's $91.20. Irony all heavy, 3 pounds for 60 cents. Irony all light, 14 pounds for $4.20. Back to back. It came out to $96. So then let's do all the math. We had 150 and 125. Where did the 150 come from? No, 120, 125. So that equals a 245. And then throw another 95 on there, which equals 340. Add the dollar. $341 today. And there was no change. That was the weird thing about it. There was no change at all. And then the poundage was, I think it just 3,693 pounds. Plus we had about 2,500 pounds yesterday, which puts us at 6,193 pounds for the week. There's still stuff on the side of the house. We are jamming. I would like to get to a 10,000 pound week. We'll see how that works out for us. And there was only one sneeze. We're not gonna cut it. There's only one sneeze. It's only happened to me like 3 times in my life. Okay, we're back. We're gonna answer some questions. Kitty in hospital. Prayers serious. Pass on to all. Kitty, how do I say your last name? Belochel? I'm sorry, I'm a big Neanderthal. Prayers to Kitty. She's in here a lot on the comments, so I hope everything's okay. Yeah, prayers to you. Prayers to you, Kitty. We're praying for you. So I hope everything's okay. Feel free, send me a DM, whatever you need. We can help out. So I've been going through and answering a lot of the comments today. Going back a little bit. Did we forget the Christmas tree? I don't know. If there was a Christmas tree, I usually pick them up. Maybe not. Nice ganja plant in your yard. Ganja plant? I ain't got no ganja plants in my yard, Steven. I think you've seen bamboo. We'd be a lot richer if we had ganja plants in our yard, maybe. Back in the day when we had that something and it had marker on it, I was talking crap about it, and it said a magic eraser will take that magic marker right off the microwave. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Junkman 5000 is the man. Cash is king. Cash is king. My man Ray. Thank you so much. Heather Murray is asking me, when is your daughter back at school? I think they in mid-August they go back. Mid-August. As the saying goes, you can't get a bus through that space when the cars don't want to get past. That's right. That's right. I had to tell Matt on Friday that the scrapyard was closed on the 4th of July. He never saw the note. Nacho, what do you mean? What do you mean, Nacho? They're not going to be open on 4th of July. Heather Murray. These are all Heather. Get some vitamin C tablets, dissolve in water. We did do a bunch of vitamin C. That's really when I started to feel better. I started hulking out after that. To clear your chest nose, do a stream bowl with Vicks Vapor Rub. Place a towel over your head and lean over the bowl. It clears your nose and chest. Yes, that is very good information. Very good. I didn't do it, but I probably should have done it. There was one point where I didn't have to do that. It was all just leaking out of my face. Welcome, Mike. You don't just look tired, you also sound tired. Rest at the end of the week and save your energy for next week. And most importantly, take care of yourself, dear friend. This is all from that first video when I came back. Yes, I came back a little early, but I said I would be back on the 5th, and then yes. One day at a time. Hope you get better soon. Thank you so much. Glad to see you back, but take it easy and look after yourself. Thank you so much. Hope you feel better soon. Take it easy. We're trying. Just take it easy and ease back into it. That's the best strategy. I at least personally know how you feel. I had a really bad case of bronchitis that lasted 4 or 5 days. Hope you're feeling better. Thank you so much, Joe. Yes, everything's good. We are feeling better. Tony Alphonse, hope you feel better. Thank you so much, Tony. Tony he watches us. Him and my father were best friends. I've known Tony a long time. Ever since I was 10, 11 years old. He is the best. I love you, Tony. Good guy. Good guy. Scrap Rodriguez gave me the chilling, jovial self. I try to be my jovial self. Take care. Feel better soon. You working so hard and need the rest. Hugs and prayers. Thank you so much, Carol. Good. Pull through. My man Moose. Get well soon, 5,000, and be safe and careful. I'll try to be as safe and careful as I can. You know how that goes. I'm so glad to see a happy and energetic self. Be careful, take it easy and slow. We will wait for you. Sending godly love to you and your family. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Right back to you. So I think that's where we're going to call it today with comments. We're just going right through. I'm trying to do a lot better at doing comments when they're out there. So as you get them in, I'm trying to get them right back out. But that's not always possible. But we're doing our best. So that's the comment section of the day. Hey. Oh, we're running late today, people. All right, here's our quote of the day. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. Hold on, I'm going to read that for you one more time. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept trying when there seems to be no hope at all. So what I'm telling you is when it gets hard, don't quit. When you think you've had enough, don't quit. You got this. You will get through it. You are loved, and you can do it. Look at that. That was pretty good. That's pretty good. What do you guys think? That was pretty good, right? So just know that I believe in you. Even if tough times are coming, I believe in you. And if you need somebody to talk to, shoot me an email. Get through it together. Once again, check out all of our scrapping buddies. Nacho Stuff. The Packer Scrapper. Non-Ferris Jeff. Non-Ferris Jeff should be back soon. I don't know if he took the whole week off. Maybe the whole week. So we'll see him soon. Get over to Sugar Bee Cookie Company. Iron Beard Yoga. He's now on TikTok as well. So get over and see these people. Get over in the comments too. Get in there. There's a bunch of people in there too. Let's all get together and have some fun. Oh, and the website. Get over to junkman5000.com. Someday we'll post some stuff on there. If nothing else, just when I go on, I see a couple people went on. What else is there? Check us out on Twitter, thejunkman5000.com. Facebook, Junkman5000. TikTok, Junkman5000. And you're already here already, YouTube. And that's it. Those are all the platforms we're on. So I really appreciate all you guys with the likes, subscribes. Let's get a couple more people over to the Facebook page. See if we can build that up a little bit too. So, all right. And let's not forget that we are doing a t-shirt giveaway. My buddy Maurice drives by. He drives by like 10 times a day just to see me. Just to see it from home. He likes to play with me. We're from the same town. Anyway, what were we talking about? T-shirts. If you want to be in a running for a free t-shirt, do me a favor and send me a postcard. Here's how it works. Send a postcard to Junkman5000 at P.O.Box 414, Christmas, Florida 32709, and we'll put you in a running for a t-shirt. It's just that simple. You spend like the, I don't know, what is it, $1.50 to mail it and buy the postcard, and you get a free t-shirt out of it. Well, at least you could get a free t-shirt out of it. I think we'll probably do a drawing probably the end of August. End of August sounds pretty good. So yeah, and if you want to, write on there what size you are. Okay. The supplies are limited though, so whatever we get, we get. Yeah, so that's t-shirt giveaway. Fun stuff. Okay, so I've rambled on long enough. I'm sure most of you are like, shut up already, get it over with. So that was a day. That was a whole day. We did it. We did it. We loaded up last night, did a bunch of runs. I didn't know if we'd get everything done this morning. We had a couple runs. I had to be here, had to be there. We got it all done. We made it every place we were supposed to on time, except getting in to edit this video. We have missed the mark on that because I like to ramble. But I love talking to you guys, so never met a camera I didn't like talking into. So anyway, have a great day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for all the likes and subscribes and all the support. You guys are the team that makes the dream work. So love all you guys. Let's keep it going. Keep the train a-rolling. I will see you on the next one, which is in about 2 to 3 hours from now. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.